Hello dear students, today we are solving the ISI 2020 paper. I have already solved 1, 2. So in this video I will be doing from 3 as I promised. So let's have a look. Okay, so A and B are the variable points on x-axis and y-axis respectively, such that the line segment AB is in the first quadrant and of the fixed length 2D. Okay, so let C be the midpoint of AB and P be a point such that P is the origin at the opposite sides of AB and PC is the line segment is perpendicular to AB. So we need to find out the locus. Okay, not very hard, so it's a basic structural question. So let's have a look into it. Let me add a page. So A has the coordinates. So what are the coordinates of the point A? So that is x comma 0. Point B 0 comma y. Okay, so x square and y square 4d square. Coordinates of C will be x by 2, y by 2. So this AB line is minus x by y. So the unit orthogonal vector, so orthogonal vector associated is with this will pass, so the lines are y and x. So 1 by 2d y comma x. So in this case PC and maybe this is E, so this will be equal to DE. Yeah, this is equal to DE, so that is equal to half of y comma x. Remember that, not x comma y. So the coordinates of P in this case, P coordinates will be x by 2, y by 2, x by 2 plus y by 2, comma y by 2 plus x by 2. So obviously this is the same, x plus y by 2 and x plus y by 2. Now it has been done. The point P is situated on the line y equal to x. P is on y equal to x. So the max value of this x plus y by 2 will be with respect to x square plus y square equal to 4d square. X square plus y square equal to 4d square is achieved when y and x are same, and that is equal to root 2d. And this is also equal to root 2d. So the value of x plus y subject to x square plus y square has to be greater than d. So value of x plus y by 2 has to be greater than d. So the locus by which the point P moves, P movement, is through a segmented line, its structure, so which is with T to T and D less than T less than equal to root 2D. That's it. So this is done. Now we get back to our old PDF. Let's see the next question. Third is now done. We'll be doing till 4 over here, and then 5, 6 in another video, and 7, 8 another video. So if you get times, you can solve around something extra as well. Let a real valued sequence xn n greater than 1 be such that limit n tends to infinity n into x to the power n. N into x to the power n equal to 0. So find all possible values of t such that limit n tends to infinity xn log t greater than 0. Okay. So let's see. In this case, a is positive, x is greater than 1. So log x, we need to check this, is a to the power a, e to the power a. So now differentiating d dx log x a by x. So what do you get? A to the power a log x whole to the power a minus 1 by x square minus log x whole to the power a by x square. So this is log x to the power a minus 1, the smaller one we will take common, a minus log x by x square, this thing. Now this has to be positive as, so x e to the power a less than e to the power a. So the function x greater than log x whole to the power a by x, this is an increasing function between 1 to e to the power a, and also this becomes decreasing afterwards e to the power a till infinity. Okay, so now in this case we can establish that log x by a by x less than equal to a to the power a e to the power a. So once it is been done, so now getting back to the question, t is given. So now t belongs to R, so we choose a greater than we choose in a way that a greater than max of t comma 0. Okay, so for all n greater than 1, so obviously 0 log n base t will happen like this. So that is log n base a by n into 1 by log n whole to the power a minus t. This thing is less than equal to a to the power a divided by e to the power a into log n a minus t, and this is this, and n tends to infinity. Once this has been done, it follows that so xn log n t is n xn log n whole to the power t, n this tends to 0 into 0, so equal to 0. So hence the value of the given structure is, final answer is 0. So with respect to log, this one is a quite tougher one. In the next video we'll solve it from